Hey guys, it's on. So for today's video, I am going to be trying to follow a makeup tutorial. It is called the Glass Skin 5-Minute Makeup Tutorial by Dilan Sabah. Maybe. I don't know. I've never watched her videos before. Here's the thing. I was trying to follow a makeup tutorial of someone whose videos I already watched. Like, I love Rach Loves, Kathleen Lights, Melody Ricketts. She does like princess makeup, and I was like, oh my gosh, that'd be so fun to follow. But here's the thing. I was watching those and I was like, oh, that's such a cool makeup look, I want to try that. But then I started thinking about the makeup I have, and I did not want to buy any makeup for this video because I don't wear that much makeup normally. I don't have any like crazy eyeshadow or like intense colors makeup, so yeah, that limited my options a lot once I realized that I didn't have that much makeup. But let's just go ahead and get right into it.
So let's jump right in. So the first thing that I'm going to use is the Hollywood Flawless Filter it's not a foundation, primer from Charlotte Tilbury. Everyone really loved this, and I was like, let me check what's about.
Okay, so I don't have that. I don't even think I have any primer, but I do have this stuff that's like kind of darker, and it's supposed to make you look tan. So I'm gonna go get that. It's like from my wedding, which was like 3 years ago, so it's a little crusty, but I'm gonna go get it. I'll be right back. Okay, so this stuff is actually amazing. It's by Mally. It's actually probably one of the most expensive products I ever bought, but I bought it for my wedding because I wanted to just look like naturally like a little bit tan, and I feel like this gives you like the perfect bit of like just glow without making it look like you like applied a bunch of fake tan, you know? So yeah, hopefully it still works. I haven't used it in a while, but on the back it says Evercolor Poreless Face Defender. So that's kind of like what primer does. So it's probably like the same thing, right? Let me use this side. Okay. Oh, I didn't even watch where she puts this. I think she puts it all over her face, but let's just check before I like go ahead and do that.
And yeah, this is kind of like my everyday look. So it's super easy. You don't need techniques, so you don't need, I don't know, like, you don't need to think about it a lot. Usually when you do your makeup super quick, it looks way more beautiful than when you took an hour to do a natural makeup. So I'm going in with this Flawless Filter Primer, using it kind of like on my whole face. I'm going to use my Lashylicious F101 brush. It's kind of like a buffing brush. I'm going to blend it all over my skin.
Okay, that's probably enough. I don't really know. I'm stopping there. I feel like it's not really doing that much, so we're just gonna go on to the next step now.
So this is the first step. It's really dewy, as you can see. This is what I really like, but we need some coverage, and I'm going to blend this later on. I'm going to use this Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation, and this is in the shade Warm Beige 3.5. This is a very light, liquidy skin looking foundation. Nothing's too crazy. The coverage is, I would say, medium.
Okay, so she's moving on to her foundation, which is what I'm going to do. Normally I just use concealer and kind of put it all over my face with my foundation because I don't like a really like heavy coverage foundation. But I do have this Tarte foundation from, again, like 3 years ago. So I thought maybe I would use that. But it's full coverage, and she said she's using like medium coverage. I think I actually have some Mary Kay foundation that would probably work better, so be right back again. Okay, I found my Mary Kay foundation, and it's definitely more lighter coverage. Don't know how the color is gonna look because I haven't used, it's like full, so I'm guessing that means it probably wasn't the right color for me or whatever. But I'm a little more tan now, and not just because of this. I actually do have a little bit of a tan, so I'm going to be using my Mary Kay foundation. That's good. How is she? Did she put this on her brush? Probably. So I'm gonna put this on my hand and then put it on my brush. That's a lot. Okay, that should be fine. I don't know. I'm making a mess.
It's
I've
actually a
already
very
used that
nice, very silky
Oh.
feeling foundation.
Wow.
So you see this is a little bit lighter.
Oh, goodness gracious. That is not right. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, we gotta blend. Okay, let's see what she does.
It feels amazing as well. It feels super hydrating.
Okay, I think I'm done with that. I think that's good. Okay, let's move on.
So after that, I'm
I
taking
think
my
she's
favorite
using her
corrector from
color
Armani.
corrector
This is in shade number
something,
2.
but I think I'm
And
just
I'm going to correct
concealer.
my dark circles, especially right here. And I'm blending this with my concealer buffer from Zoeva.
Oh wow, she's fancy. She has a brush for this. Okay, I love this stuff. This is the only makeup I've ever found that's actually the right color for my skin, I feel like. It's the L'Oreal Paris True Matte Super Blendable Concealer. And I just feel like it looks so good on my skin. That's why I use it as a foundation. And I think it's only like $6. So, love that. Okay, I feel like that looks pretty good. Not sure I really look like glass, which is what we're going for, but it's fine.
And the concealer that I'm going to use, surprise, surprise, Jouer High Covering Concealer in Macadamia. You say Macadamia? Macadamia.
Okay, so now she's going back in with concealer. I have this other concealer, but look, it's literally so dark for my skin, so I think this is concealer. Yeah, under eye corrector. Oh, I should have used this first. Okay, maybe we'll use this, and then we'll go back in with the normal concealer, because I feel like this is a little dark for me, and that's kind of what she was saying too. So, did that do anything? I don't know. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in. She said the less is more, but oops, I messed up. So let's put a little bit more of this over top. Blend, blend, blend. What are you doing next, girl? She's blending.
I'm also blending it
That's
on the
what,
sides of
she's
my
still
nose to
blending.
get rid of the redness.
Oh, I didn't do that.
I'm not going to powder anything yet because when we are going to apply the
No powder.
powder highlighter, it's really going to look super wet since the base is still wet. So I'm going to leave it like that. I'm taking my bronzer, Dark Deep from MAC Cosmetics. Usually I use Give Me Sun, but I feel like Dark Deep is a little bit more, you know, like a little bit more summer, a little darker, a little bit more defined. So I'm going in with this, and I'm taking a Elsa Makeup bronzing brush, and kind of going to lightly contour the face, lightly. But
Okay, she said she was using a dark bronzer. I don't really have, these are the two bronzers I own. One is Wet n Wild. Oh, they're both Wet n Wild. How fun. I feel like this one is a little bit darker, but this one's a little more glowy, and we're going for a glowy look. So I think I'm gonna use both. All my brushes just fell on the floor. But they were in a glass thing, and that didn't break, so it's really a win. Got him. Okay, so I'm so bad at bronzer. I feel like I always put it in the wrong spot. She's putting it like really high on her face. I better watch for a minute before I try to copy her.
and since this color is
She's
quite
putting
deep,
it
you don't need to use that much.
Here.
So I'm also using it as a blush, as a bronzer, just to have this
A
beautiful
blush,
bronzy
bronzer.
glow all over my face. You see how
Okay,
much of a
love
difference
that.
it is. So much more warmer on
Yeah.
this side. And if you're thinking why I'm not using a cream contour, which I usually do, is because, sorry, the base is
Was wondering
like
that.
super wet.
Okay, here we go. So she's doing it like, oh, she's doing like here. Is that right? Somebody tell me. Can you tell I'm really good at makeup? Okay, am I bronzed? Oh, hey. That looks really good. Cool. Awesome. I like it. All right, next step. Oh, she said blush. Okay, let me find my blush. I have this one. I have another one. It's more of a peachy color. Let me watch and see. I feel like I'm gonna need the peachy one though.
Now I'm going to use my NARS liquid blush in Hot Tin Roof. And this is a very, very pigmented blush, so I'm only going to use this much.
That's a beautiful color. Okay, let me go get, maybe if I mix the two together. Be right back again. Okay, I'm back. I feel like hers is very peachy. I have this NYX, or in my X. So I feel like that's pretty close to what she's using. I'm not gonna use a brush though. I'm just gonna use my finger, I think. Should I use a brush? I should probably use a brush. I should follow what she's doing. Okay, let's see. I think she's just putting away for blush, but
With this look, I personally love a bit of a blush because we're not going to concentrate on the eyes.
no eyeshadow like that. We're not gonna concentrate on the eyes. Okay. Oh, I love that. Every time I do my makeup, I think I should do my makeup more often, and then I just don't.
And then for highlighter, the one I used was the Hyper Real Glow from MAC. You can use any highlighter you want. Your favorite
That's good to
highlighter,
know.
it doesn't matter because the skin is still wettish. So it's going to look amazing.
Oh,
I
I'm
am
ready for
usually
that, girl.
mixing all these three colors together. And the brush that I'm using is Anastasia Beverly Hills A23.
Oh, I love that she does her nose. I love the nose highlight.
So now we're already super shiny. Look,
Okay. So I just have this Pro Highlight Pro Fusion Incredibly Dirty palette from, I got it at Target, and it's actually really a really good highlight, so I think. And clearly I love these three shades because they're almost gone. So I'm gonna use those mixed together because she mixed three of hers together. And I'm sure I'm probably putting this all in the wrong spot. Oh wow, look at that. Like, look at that glow. Ooh! Yeah, I like that. Okay, and then she puts them on her nose. Just a little. You don't want to go crazy. Oh, I did. There we go. We look crazy. And then she put a little on her cupid's bow.
so whatever is left on my hand, the concealer, I'm going to put it on my lids to kind of like get rid of the veins. I have a lot of visible veins on my eyelids, so I'm just kind of like getting rid of it. But don't apply too much because it can crease, and we're not going to put that much powder or anything on our eyelids. So the only thing I pretty much apply on my eyes is this bronzer that we've used on our face, the Deep Tan from
Okay,
MAC.
so just a little bit of extra concealer that's left on the back of my hand. Oh look, there's some left. I do have some left on the back of my hand. Crazy, how'd you know that? And just a little, oh, that's a lot. Is that fine? Is it blended? I don't know. We're gonna go with it. Okay, now what?
I'm just taking a fluffy brush. This is from Molly O'Brien in Ava M07, and I'm just dipping in
Okay.
my bronzer. And I'm also
Okay.
going to use this Dose of Colors
That's good.
Nitty Gritty Lip Liner. I feel
Okay, I
like
don't
saying that
have
very
lip
British.
liner.
Nitty Gritty.
Like it all.
Okay, here we
So,
go.
I'm gonna skip that step.
So I'm taking my
So I have
Sisley
this nude
lipstick.
color, and it's my favorite lip thing ever. But you want to know something so sad? Look what happened! It's all up in there and I can't get it out. Makes me so sad. But I think I'm gonna try to use like some kind of. Oh, I didn't realize I had this. This has makeup on it, but I'm gonna try to use this to like scoop some out and put some on my lips. Okay, so lips look good. All right, let's see if she puts mascara on because I feel naked without mascara on. That's like the one thing I always.
But I'm
wear
going
is
to use this Beauty
mascara.
Blender Redo setting spray. It's kind of like a fixing spray, I think. Oh, it's Set and Refresh spray.
Okay, I think I'm done with that. Are we really not wearing mascara? I can't.
So guys, this is pretty much all that I do for this 5-minute makeup tutorial.
Okay, well, I'm done with the tutorial, I guess. We're not wearing mascara. That's super weird. So this is the look, but I am gonna put mascara on because I can. I love mascara. I can't not wear mascara. I wish I would have watched this till the end and realized she didn't do that because I probably would have picked a different one because in the beginning I was like, oh, I want to do something like eyes, like a lot of eyes. And this literally has nothing on the eyes. So that's disappointing, but whatever. I'm doing mascara. I'm gonna curl my lashes too because. Okay, I definitely know there's mascara on my face, but you're supposed to let it dry and then wipe it off, I think. Look how much better that looks with just like a little bit of mascara. I love that. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really do like the way it turned out. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to see more videos coming soon. Kelly and I always post videos together every Saturday. When Kelly posts solo vids, they come out on Monday. And when I post solo vids, they always come out on Wednesday. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to watch Kelly follow a makeup tutorial, it'll be linked in the description like I said. So you should definitely go check that out because like I said, I'm sure hers is way better than mine and a lot more detailed. But you know, I did what I could with what I had. So, but yeah, thanks for watching my odd way of life and don't forget to follow your happy. Bye.